Hello, my name is Bikram Singh and I'm working for plumbing in India. Now I will see you 3GT is called 90 mm, 90 mm socket for a PVC, 75 mm elbow, 50 mm elbow, and this is the material of PVC, and this is the material of PPRC. This is name called female elbow, 1 inch socket, 25 mm teeth, plain teeth, female elbow. This is pipe cutter for PPRC pipe, cutting the pipe. Measuring first. This is the PPRC pipe cutting machine. Machine is proper heating, then connect the joint. That is complete, the PPR joint, and now I'm PVC threading pipe. This is the ratchet of 1/2 inch. It's used to threading the pipe properly. This is the Bikram tape. It's used to rounding the pipe, no leakage and no water leakage. This is GI 1/2 inch elbow. This is pipeline, and I tightening the joint.